so today I'm going to be talking about how I passed CS2 in one attempt. So CS2 is arguably the most difficult exam of the actuarial exams. And what I did is with CS2, initially I wanted to write it in 2021 September. So I just read a few chapters, I think 3 or 4, and I was finding it very difficult to study. So I decided to drop it and wrote other subjects. And it's okay if you are not yet ready, it's okay to drop a subject and then go to other subjects. And I then wrote it in 2024 September. It was my last exam. I had no option, I had to write it. And how did I pass it in one attempt, even though I thought it was very difficult? The thing is, at first I tried to study it on my own, but I just couldn't grasp the concept. So what I then did is I bought video tutorials, and they were quite helpful at first, and because of the difference in the accents, I couldn't understand some of the stuff that the guy was saying. And I eventually bought another set of material, and then I had to use the two different materials watching the videos. And when I was done, I then read the full study material, the full notes, because in as much as you can get videos, watch videos, it's very important to understand that you have to read your notes, understand your notes, make sure you grasp everything that's part of the syllabus. Then next I went and did past exam questions. I went through past exam papers, I think from 2019 to date. I did them under exam conditions. At first, when I did the first exam, it took me 6 hours to complete the entire paper, but I wasn't demotivated. I continued, did some papers, and with time I saw that my speed increased. It actually increased as I went. So once I'd done a few papers, I then noticed there are some topics that I would need revision on. I go back to my notes, revise again on those topics, do a few more past exam papers. So as I was studying, grasping the concept, I was also learning how to manage my time. Then I also did a mock exam. I did a mock exam and got my feedback, improved again based on that feedback. And then I wrote my exam in September 2024, and guess what? When the results then came out in December 2024, I had passed the exam in my first sitting, and that was the exam whereby I was very happy after I had passed. I was more than happy compared to the other sittings that I did, because I just felt like, yeah, this is quite a difficult paper. But I put in more effort compared to the other sittings because I knew my weakness. I knew that I needed to do more. And now we are offering tutorials at Actupas. We had not been offering tutorials for CS2 in the April 2025 diet because I just wanted to relax first, and also I thought we could get a tutor, but we couldn't get a tutor. So I just decided that if we can get at least 5 people to register for the tutorials, now I'll take the class for September 2025, because it's difficult to get someone to tutor the subject. And we've been getting many inquiries, people inquiring they want to write CS2, but we didn't have a tutor. So just to help people out, I'll take up the tutorials, I'll tutor CS2, and I'll help you pass your CS2 exam. So best wishes in your exam. Don't forget to register with Actupas for your exam. Bye bye.